Today we're going to talk about Excel tips, specifically the control series. So if you have a Microsoft computer, you're going to be looking for this control button, most likely the bottom left corner. If you have an Apple or Mac, you're going to be looking for this command button. I believe all of these should work. You just need the command button rather than the control button. The first one we're going to do is copy and paste. As simple as the control plus the C. See how it kind of gets this dotted line? That means it's copied. You can also go up here and hit this, and it shows you Control C. We're going to come down here. Again, Control or Command, and then the V. We have copied it. As well as you can come over here, paste it, Control V. Another thing I will show you, we can come over here and we can Control Arrow. That'll take us to the next cell with something in it, or if there's nothing left, it will take us all the way to the end of the Excel sheet. If you want to select to the next cell, hold Control, Shift, and then press the arrow over. And that will select everything to the point where it stops. And you can do this in any direction you see you may need. The next one is Control plus the A. This is going to select everything on the sheet. I don't know why you may need this, but maybe you want to just delete the whole screen. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to undo it. Maybe you don't want to come up here, you don't want to click the Control Z, hit undo, Control Z. You can just press Control and Z and get the same effect as coming up here and hitting the undo. Same with the redo, Control plus Y, where you can redo something. The final thing, which we will get to in the next video, is Control P to get easy access so you don't have to go looking for the print button. Thank you for watching. Please check out the next video on printing.